In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to n8n. By the end, you'll have your Google Ads account linked inside an n8n workflow, so you can start automating reporting, syncing data, or triggering actions based on your ad performance. First, head to n8n. Open your n8n instance in your browser and sign in. This can be a cloud workspace or a self-hosted setup. Give the page a moment to load your dashboard, and make sure you're in the right project or environment where you want this connection to live. Next, create a workflow. Click to start a new, blank workflow so you're working on a clean canvas. Give it a clear name that tells you what it's for, like Google Ads integration, and, if you use them, add a short description. Naming things well makes it much easier to find and maintain automations later on. Now, click Add to place your first node. This is the plus button on the canvas that opens the node picker. You'll see a searchable list of integrations and core building blocks you can add to your workflow. Search for Google Ads. Start typing Google Ads in the node picker and select the Google Ads node when it appears. Once it's on the canvas, you'll see options specific to Google Ads. Depending on your use case, this node can read performance data or help you interact with campaigns and conversions. For now, we just want to get the connection in place. Then, connect your account. In the Node's Credentials section, choose to add a new credential. A secure sign-in window will open. Select the Google account that has access to the Google Ads account you plan to use, and approve the requested permissions. Be sure you pick the correct account, especially if you manage multiple clients or properties. When the sign-in completes, you'll be returned to n8n, and your new Google Ads credential will be saved for reuse. It's a good idea to rename the credential to something recognizable, like the account or customer ID you're connecting. Finally, set the approval and the events. Confirm that the connection shows as authorized and approved in the node's credentials area. Then, choose the events or data you want this node to work with. That could be metrics you plan to read or conversion-related events you want to act on. Adjust any filters, date ranges, or account selections as needed so the node reflects exactly what you intend to use in your workflow. Take a moment to verify your selections, since accurate events and permissions are key to reliable automations. That's it. Your Google Ads connection is now in place inside n8n, ready for you to build on.